point whereby in designing, you don't know what to design anymore. You're lost. You're either just realizing that every day is a deja vu for you, like a loop for you, or you don't just know what to do. You've reached what I call design plateau. It's like when you're working out and you've reached the max level of the potential of your body, like you can't build muscle anymore. You reach the highest points. What do you do when you reach design plateau? Because you feel lost, you feel like you don't know how to design anymore. That is when this question will come in for you. What's next? What's next in what I'm doing? What's next in designing? What's next in everything? The thing that's next is you need to evolve. Designers need to evolve. For instance, when ChatGPT and Midjourney came, some designers were reluctant, some designers adapted to it. You see most designers now these days posting how to use ChatGPT for, or how to use Midjourney for designing, or how to use Midjourney and ChatGPT for. Now, I'm not saying AI is good. Me, I'm not a fan of AI, but I use it anyways. I see many times these days that people, when they write a bit about yourself, like a cover letter. Truthfully, I've done it before also. You go to ChatGPT for it, they'll be like, write a cover letter to a company as a UX designer. How you be a good fit. Then boom, ChatGPT writes it for you, you copy it, do some minor tweaks, and post it, and you get the job. And you'll be like, yes, I got the job. Bro, you didn't get the job. ChatGPT got the job. Now, that matter aside, you need to evolve. You need to change, because you're not the guy you knew 2 months ago, or 3 months ago, or a year ago. You're not that guy anymore. You're an official UX designer now. You need to change the way you do your things. Now, how do you change the way you do your things? That's the question. Like I said before, you need to adapt to tools and be flexible in the design industry, because that is what UX designing is. Like for instance, beginner UX designers, if you say you want to work on projects, companies will hire you for personal projects. So what do? Just do what you do, bro. You have to do it anyways. You don't have a choice, because there's no other way you get experience. When you don't know what to design anymore, how do you evolve? You evolve by trying new things. Try things you've not tried before. In the design industry, you need to evolve. You need to try things you've not tried before. You need to change. I advise you do it too, because that is the only way to go away from this design plateau. I'm saying that a lot of times because I created the word, and Oxford. You should put that in the dictionary very soon. Don't get it wrong, you are still going to go back to that plateau, because it's a stage where you need to get to the next stage. That's a stage in life where you need to get to the next stage, where you face a problem to go to the next stage. You still face another problem, definitely, and this video will be there for you. So good luck on your design journey. Stay blessed. See you in my next video.